From Daily Forex, this is Christopher Lewis. I'm looking at the upcoming 19th trading session, and you can see that we have gone back and forth on Friday, essentially going nowhere by the time it was all said and done. This is a market that I think will probably continue to be very noisy. I think at this point we're probably going to roll over a little bit, but at this point, I think it's just a short-term pullback. I don't think it's anything more than that. I think it gives us an opportunity to perhaps try to pick up a bit of value. We may have gotten ahead of ourselves in the short term, but I think if we stay above 2,500, it's still an uptrend, although this has been a significant sell-off. Stay tuned here at Daily Forex. I'll be paying attention to this chart quite closely. So over here in the NASDAQ 100, probably a little bit more bullish, but it looks like we are getting ready to see a bit of a pullback in the short term. I think given enough time, we will probably find support at the 6,700 level and below there at 65. It's not until we break down below 6,200 that I feel that the trend has completely changed, but certainly it looks as if we're going to have some fighting to do back and forth.